everyone, welcome to Metal Guns and Outdoors. Today I want to do a little bit of comparison. I've got some Remington Thunderbolt high velocity 22 long rifle, and I want to thank Randall for sending these. Thanks, Randall. And then I want to put them against these Winchester Super X 22 shorts. Let me show you all the difference here. Here's the 22 short. Yeah, I know, no good sun over here, sorry y'all. And there's the long rifle. There's quite a bit of difference in them two. We would like to know exactly the difference. And what we're going to be using is our Heritage Rough Rider. That way we use the same firearm for both shells. And yes, and make sure that safety's off on that thing. We got the chronograph fired up. We're going to put 3 across her. We're going to start with the 22 shorts. And I want y'all to try to listen to the sound. The only bad thing about these modern cameras, they really mute that quick sound, but hopefully y'all can hear the difference between the shorts and the long rifles. Alright, getting out here at our normal 15 feet. And let's let her rip. Shot 1 with the short. .978. .1042. Man, recoil is like non-existent. A .997. I'll tell you what. Is it me, or is that little short just really booking it through there? Alright, now for some of these Thunderbolt long rifles. Yeah, I thought that was pretty good speed for a short. Y'all throw down in the comments what you think. Alright, now for our long rifle. .857. Wow. .902. And a .918. I'm going to tell y'all right now, I was not expecting them results. Alright, well that was quite interesting. Let's get these spent shells out of there. Alright, now let's load her all the way up. This is a 6-shot revolver. With the 22 shorts first. Could y'all hear the difference in the report between them two? I mean, standing right here, but I can tell a big difference. And that short is a lot quieter. But speed-wise, that thing's getting busy. Let's hit us some steel and see the impact difference on this. As a matter of fact, safety is on. Y'all see the orange shelf right there? I have 2 50 BMG cartridges sitting up there. I'm going to see if I can hit one. I think that'll be a good comparison, and hopefully they'll just fall right around there and we'll grab them and see what kind of dent was put in them. We'll see how steady the old hand is today. Alright, it took me 4 to get it. Gun's back on safety. I'm going to run out there and grab it right quick. Well, as you can see, I hit it right there. We just put a nice little dent in it. Pretty cool. At least I hit it. Took 4 of them, but hey, I hit it. Oh, we got 2 shots left. Let's go up there to the 50-foot mark. We can really hear that ding on them AR-500 target solution targets. I cannot believe I missed that second target. Alright. That's all of them. It took me 4 tries to hit that shell. I'm here to tell you guys. Some of y'all don't think that's a hard shot. You grab a low-cost revolver and some shorts and try to hit a 50 cal shell. The shell looks monster, but it's really not that big around when you're shooting at it. Alright, let's load up here with our 22 Thunderbolts. And see if I can get lucky enough to hit that other shell so we can compare them dents. Shooting a bullet with a bullet, that is a trip. So thanks to Hootie Hoo, every time he brings a 50 out, he always leaves these, so got plenty of them around here to do whatever we want with. Alright, now with the Thunderbolts and the 22 long rifle. Oh, come on, hit this thing. Guys, I think I just knocked it off. Let me grab it. Yeah, just knocked it off. I didn't hit it. I scared it. Alright. Let me go get that thing. Alright, got a dead center hit on it. But you can sure tell there's a difference there, that's for sure. See the difference? There's your long rifle hit, and that was the short hit. I consider myself lucky that I hit it. Let's grab a couple more so we can throw it up there on some steel. Y'all can hear the difference in the ringing of that steel between the short and the long. There's 2 more. I think that's what I shot the steel with. That's safety. Yeah, you can sure tell a difference. But like I say, I was surprised in the speed. We are clear, safety's back on. I was real surprised in the chronograph test on that. I expected this little short to just be utterly slow. But, you know, y'all see the numbers don't lie, and the chronograph's pretty much dead on. Props. Heritage Rough Rider. I like these little old revolvers. They are low cost. But I mean, to hit something this size at 30 feet and hit it dead in the center, it wasn't no glancing blow or nothing. That's a good little revolver. Outstanding. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that video. I thought that was a pretty good comparison between the short and the long rifle. A lot of times people do ask what the difference is. So there you go. If you would, please throw us down some comments. Of course, if you have any questions or suggestions, please put them down in the comment box. I'm always happy to see them. And I do use a lot of y'all's suggestions for the videos, just like this, people asking questions. So, bam, I try to do a video on it. So, there you go. If you're able, hit us up on our Patreon page. And remember, we're giving away the Daisy, what is that, Model 10 carbine. So go check out that video. It's a Patreon giveaway, and get in on that one, please. And if y'all would, hit that like and subscribe, tell all your friends, and share the videos, and try to get those on up there. Your support, your great comments and all are very, very much appreciated. Again, thanks everyone for watching, and I do wish that everybody has a fantastic day.